Introducing the XMars AI Robot Cube and Smart Cube, a revolutionary fusion of cutting-edge technology and interactive fun, designed to challenge your mind and ignite your curiosity. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence meets the classic Rubik's Cube, creating a dynamic and educational experience like no other. With the XMars AI Robot Cube and Smart Cube, you embark on a journey of solving puzzles, learning, and endless entertainment. They offer cube solving with modern technology. Next is a hand gesture control RC stunt car, an exhilarating combination of cutting-edge technology and thrilling performance, designed to put you in control like never before. Imagine a remote control car that responds to your every move, following your hand gestures with precision and performing mind-blowing stunts. With the hand gesture control RC stunt car, you're not just driving a car, you're commanding it with the wave of your hand. This innovative car takes remote control to a new level. Next is 360-degree rotating book stand for reading, the ultimate companion for book enthusiasts, designed to elevate your reading experience with unparalleled comfort and convenience. Imagine immersing yourself in your favorite book while effortlessly adjusting its angle to suit your comfort, all with a simple rotation. With the 360-degree rotating book stand for reading, you can enjoy hands-free reading in any position that suits you. This innovative stand is built to provide you with an ergonomic reading solution that enhances your posture and minimizes strain. Adjust the stand's angle to find the perfect reading position, whether you're sitting, lying down, or even standing. Next, the Cricut Joy Compact Smart Cutting Machine, a game changer in crafting and creativity, designed to bring your ideas to life with precision and ease. Imagine having a compact cutting machine that fits in the palm of your hand, yet has the power to turn your creative visions into reality. With the Cricut Joy, crafting becomes a breeze, allowing you to cut, write, and personalize a wide range of materials. This innovative cutting machine is not just compact, it's smart, versatile, simplify crafting projects. Next, the compact trayvax contour wallet, a sleek and innovative solution for those seeking minimalist design and maximum functionality, all in the palm of your hand. Imagine having a wallet that not only holds your essentials but also combines rugged durability with modern style. With the compact trayvax contour wallet, you can enjoy the convenience of a compact wallet without compromising on quality. This innovative wallet is designed to provide easy access to your cards and cash while also ensuring your items stay secure. Slide your cards effortlessly with the push of a thumb, accessing them with unmatched ease. The compact trayvax contour wallet is really very stylish. Next, the keysmart Max Key Organizer, a revolutionary solution to the jingling mess of traditional keychains, designed to bring order and simplicity to your everyday carry. Imagine having a compact and stylish organizer that neatly holds your keys, eliminates the bulk, and keeps them easily accessible. With the keysmart Max, you can bid farewell to the frustration of tangled keys and say hello to streamlined efficiency. This innovative key organizer is designed to accommodate a variety of keys. Next is Torch Rechargeable Solar-Powered Flashlight, a game-changing tool designed to bring light to your adventures, emergencies, and outdoor activities with the power of sun. Imagine having a flashlight that harnesses the energy of the sun to keep you illuminated, even in the darkest of situations. With this torch, you can rely on a versatile and eco-friendly light source that's ready whenever you need it. This innovative flashlight isn't just light, it's a solar-powered marvel that combines functionality with sustainability. Next, the EBODA Bluetooth Waterproof Shower Speaker, a music companion designed to transform your shower routine into a sensational audio experience without compromising on water resistance. Imagine starting your day with your favorite tunes playing in the background, enjoying the warm shower. Next, the chovery Smart Robot Window Glass Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize the way you clean windows, making the process effortless. Imagine cleaning your windows doesn't involve ladders, squeegees, or buckets, a world where a smart robot does the work for you. With the chovery Smart Robot Window Glass Cleaner, you can enjoy crystal clear windows without breaking a sweat. This innovative robot is designed to provide thorough and streak-free window cleaning, saving you time and energy. Next is the Shobosho most affordable portable dishwasher, a game-changing solution for your kitchen, designed to bring convenience and efficiency to your dishwashing routine without breaking the bank. Imagine a dishwasher that doesn't require permanent installation, is budget-friendly, and offers the same cleaning power as traditional models. With the dishwasher, you can enjoy sparkling clean dishes without the hassle. This innovative dishwasher is designed to be both compact and powerful. Next is the Faimocas Cyclone metallic fidget spinner, a mesmerizing and tactile toy designed to captivate your senses and provide a unique fidgeting experience. Imagine holding a metallic masterpiece in your hand, spinning and twirling it as it creates an entrancing display of motion. With the Faimocas Cyclone metallic fidget spinner, you can enjoy a perfect blend of craftsmanship and relaxation. This innovative fidget spinner boasts a cyclone-like design that transforms fidgeting into an art form. Next is the PressDrain hair cutter for bathtub drain, the ultimate solution to prevent clogs and keep your drains flowing freely, all while saving you time and frustration. Imagine saying goodbye to the hassle of dealing with clogged bathtub drains caused by hair and debris. With the PressDrain hair cutter, you can effortlessly maintain clear drains and enjoy worry-free baths. This innovative tool is designed to prevent clogs by catching and cutting hair and debris before they become a problem. Simply insert the PressDrain hair cutter into your bathtub drain, and with a quick press, you're on your way to a clog-free drain. Next is the Hunt Mini Rechargeable Multifunction EDC Flashlight, a versatile and compact tool designed to illuminate your adventures, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating everyday tasks. Imagine having a reliable and powerful flashlight that fits in the palm of your hand, ready to light up any situation. With the Hunt Mini Flashlight, you can experience brightness and functionality all in one. Next is the Bike Chain Gear Fidget Spinner, a unique and captivating gadget that brings together the world of cycling and fidgeting, creating a mesmerizing experience. Fidget spinner crafted from actual bike chain gears, combining tactile satisfaction with the spirit of cycling. You can enjoy a piece of functional art that's entertaining. Next is the Incharge X all-in-one cable, a revolutionary solution designed to simplify your charging needs, providing versatility and convenience like never before. Imagine having a single cable that can charge and sync all your devices, eliminating the clutter of multiple cables and adapters. With the Incharge X all-in-one cable, you can enjoy a seamless charging experience for all your gadgets. Next is the Skarper EBike conversion kit, a groundbreaking solution that transforms your regular bicycle into a powerful and efficient electric bike, giving you the freedom to ride farther and faster. Imagine taking your beloved bicycle and giving it an electrifying upgrade, unlocking a new world of cycling possibilities. Next is the portable mini bicycle CO2 inflator pump, a compact and efficient tool designed to quickly and effortlessly inflate your bicycle tires while on the go. Imagine having a reliable and convenient solution to handle unexpected flat tires during your cycling adventures. With the portable mini bicycle CO2 inflator pump, you can get back on your bike and back on the road in no time. This innovative pump is designed to be your lifesaver when you're out cycling. Next is the adjustable handlebar bicycle mounted mirror, a practical and safety-focused accessory designed to enhance your cycling experience by providing clear rear-view vision. Imagine having a reliable mirror that gives you a constant view of what's behind you, ensuring you stay aware of your surroundings while riding. With the adjustable handlebar bicycle mounted mirror, you can enjoy increased confidence and safety during your cycling journeys. This innovative mirror is designed to be your extra set of eyes on the road, helping you make informed decisions while riding. Introducing the Liddle speaker, a revolutionary magnetic Bluetooth speaker that combines compact portability with impressive sound quality, giving you the freedom to enjoy your music wherever you go. Imagine having a powerful speaker that easily attaches to any metal surface, allowing you to fill any space with your favorite tunes. Next is the USB flameless lighter watch, a remarkable and versatile accessory that combines the functionality of a watch with the convenience of a flameless lighter, offering a unique and innovative solution for your daily needs. Imagine having a timepiece that not only tells you the time, but also doubles as a reliable flameless lighter for various occasions. With the USB flameless lighter watch, you can experience style and utility in one compact device. This innovative watch is designed to be your ultimate companion. Next is the nitecore TM26 quadray Tiny Monster Flashlight, an exceptional lighting tool that delivers an astonishing blend of power, versatility, and compactness, designed to illuminate the darkest of environments. Imagine having a flashlight that fits in the palm of your hand, yet can light up vast areas with an intensity that defies its size. With the nitecore TM26 quadray, you can experience lighting mastery in the palm of your hand. This innovative flashlight is designed to be your ultimate lighting companion, providing exceptional illumination for various scenarios. With multiple brightness levels, the nitecore TM26 quadray allows you to tailor the lighting to your needs, from subtle to blindingly bright. Experience the brilliance of a flashlight that can throw its beam hundreds of meters away, offering unparalleled visibility. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the outdoors, the nitecore TM26 quadray is the perfect companion. Introducing the folding fan magnetic fidget slider, a mesmerizing and innovative gadget that combines the soothing motion of a folding fan with the satisfying sensation of a magnetic fidget slider, creating a unique and captivating experience. Imagine having a fidget toy that not only engages your senses, but also brings the elegance of a folding fan to your fingertips. With the folding fan magnetic fidget slider, you can experience relaxation and entertainment all in one compact device. This innovative fidget slider is designed to be your ultimate stress relief companion, offering a delightful sensory experience. Next is the Bayer Micro Compass for the Trailblazer, an essential navigation tool designed to empower hikers and outdoor enthusiasts with precise directional guidance in even the most challenging terrains. Imagine having a compact and reliable compass that ensures you never lose your way while exploring the great outdoors. With the Bayer Micro Compass, you can confidently navigate trails, forests, and mountains, knowing you're always on the right path. This innovative micro compass is designed to be your trusted companion, providing accurate directional information to keep you oriented. Align the Bayer Micro Compass with your map and the landscape. Its precision will guide you with confidence. It ensures you can identify your direction at a glance.